Hi, so I just want to go over changing the Brushroll motor for the Bissel Pro Heat 2X. What you have to do is take off the cover here and you get down to your motor. This motor right here is what controls the brush roller. I've seen videos that said you have to cut this off. That's inaccurate. All you have to do is take a little screwdriver, do a little prying. Come on. Take it off. Make sure the screws are undone. Got my wires cut. And voila, out comes the motor. This one's toast. So I have the motor for the Bissel Pro Heat 2X. It's got a couple screws here. Alright, so it comes off just like that. There we go. And we do have to get this little guy out without breaking it, as this wire is not included on the new motor. Not quite too sure why, or maybe it's the ground. Alright, well, there it is. You pop in your new motor, you're good to go. So what I've done here is just hooked up the leads to the corresponding wires, just to make sure that the motor is going to work before I completely install it and screw it all back together. I've plugged it all in, and here we go. Well, looks like we got a winner. Okay, we're back. So now before installing it, I'm going to solder it. So what I'm going to do is dip my little wires in the flux here. Never want to solder without flux. You really don't need much. You can wipe the excess off. Okay. Now, bend these wires back here. You can see here's a little hole. Slide her in there like that. You can see there it's nice and bonded together. now, what I'm going to do here, take my heat gun. Just, so you see here, got my little heat gun. Going to shrink my heat tube. If I can get the camera still. And there you have it.